Hello there, I'm Maxine Teo, your learning party host for our upcoming workshop on presentation skills to present with impact and pizzazz. So why do we need to come for such a course? Well, let me tell you why. Because it doesn't matter how intelligent you are up here, but if you're not able to communicate or express your thoughts, your ideas, your concepts effectively and interestingly, you wouldn't be able to attract the attention of your audience, not to mention to win over business. So as we talk about that, how are we going to do that? Well, let me show you the how, because I have a toolkit prepared for you based on the acronym PRESENT, so P-R-E-S-E-N-T. So it will include tips on how do you express your thoughts effectively with a 4-step approach, how do you use visual aids to aid you and not replace you, and many more. Ultimately, how do we ask the right questions to engage your audience as well as to answer their audience questions that they may have for you? So ladies and gentlemen, it's time for you to take action. To sign up now, join our party, and I'll see you soon.